When you make your own hot sauce, you control the spice and the flavor. You can use a mild chili like jalapeno, you can go with something medium like a Thai bird's eye, or you can go really hot like a habanero or a ghost pepper or a Carolina Reaper. Today I'll be making a simple hot sauce with just cayenne chilies and garlic. Let's start by removing the stems. This next part is optional. If you don't like it too spicy, just remove the seeds and the white membrane with a spoon. Then just roughly chop. Put all that into a bowl and weigh it. We need 5% salt. So this is 184 grams, so that's about 9 grams of salt. Add in 2 cloves of garlic. Then add your chopped peppers to the blender. Blend that into a rough paste. It doesn't have to be really smooth at this point. Here's the consistency. Cover that with plastic wrap and find somewhere warm like the top of your refrigerator. That'll help it ferment. After 2 days, check your mash. It should have a new smell like orange peel or citrus. If you see any white fuzz on top, that's probably mold. If it has a white film, that's probably yeast. Both of these are okay. You can just scrape off the top and throw that away. Whatever's below is fine. I'll post 2 links below that discuss each. At this point, you can let it ferment for another 2 days, or you can finish the sauce. I'm going to finish it because it smells pretty good at this point. If you have a blender like the Vitamix, you can get it very smooth. All I've got is a stick blender, so it's going to leave some chunks behind, and then I'll use a fine mesh strainer to get rid of those. Weigh your chilies and add 60% vinegar or lime juice or a combination of the two. Add in 2 teaspoons of white sugar. Then blend it as smooth as you can. My hand blender doesn't do a very good job, so I'm still left with a lot of seeds and pulp. I'm going to run it through the fine mesh strainer. Then use your ladle and just press it through until all you're left with is the seeds and the pulp. This is it, bottling time. So go ahead and put a label on it because you made it yourself. I'm going to call mine Jay's Hot Sauce. Let's give it a little taste. Yep, that's good. See you next time.